Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, we definitely had a big push down last month, as you can see. It did try to break structure, but so far it is a rejection of structure. So it is always possible that the trend could continue up and it could still be in a wave 3. But looking at correlated pairs, I mean, it does seem pretty likely that the wave 3 is over and that we're going to make some sort of an ABC of 4 and eventually go back up for a wave 5, which if this is a wave 4, potentially could last like 6 to 8 months. So going down to the weekly time frame, I'm sorry. On the weekly time frame, like I said, big push down, but it never really broke and held below structure. And it very easily could, end up doing something like this and just keep on going up. So we do have to keep that in mind, especially on the shorter time phase. But it does seem pretty likely that it's going to end up doing something like this, making some sort of a wave 4, like I was showing on the monthly, and eventually go back up for a wave 5. I think this is a 1. I think this is a 2. I think that this right here is a 3, 4, 5, but I think this is a wave 3. Like there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3, ABC of 4, and eventually back up for wave 5. Maybe the wave 4 will not go down that far because they'll probably end up doing something like this and then going back up for the wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, it definitely has that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it, doesn't it? I was actually starting to wonder though if this was an A, B, and then it's going to go up for a C and then down, and this was like an A, this was a B, and then it would go down for a C. But I think that we should primarily be looking for shorts right now. I mean, the trend is definitely down. It is definitely making lower lows, lower highs. And it may actually be a wave 4, and it may actually be going down for a wave 5. And this could all be part of a wave A of wave 4. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like I said, I think we should primarily be looking for shorts. I mean, this does look like it could be a wave A. This definitely has 3 waves down, like a wave B. This is probably an uptrend right here for the wave C. It seems to me like we are most likely in a wave 5. Wave 5s can often be very overlapping, which kind of makes sense, with the pattern that we are seeing, that this is going down for that wave 5, probably a wave 5 of wave A. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looked like we had a sort this morning. I even mentioned to my members this morning in the morning live stream that this looks like an ABC. It looks like it's trying to make a sort. I think we should primarily be looking for sorts too. So I think that there's a good chance that this could keep going down, all part of a wave 5, most likely a wave 5 of wave A on the longer time frames. So do be cautious. I mean, if it does reject this structure and end up going up again, I would definitely get out of my shorts right away because I could see a possibility of this making a bigger correction. But with that little 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, with the break of structure down, if that holds below structure, then most likely it is a sort. Most likely it's going to make a nice little 5-way pattern to the downside. Probably all part of that wave 5 of wave A, like I was showing on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.